Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate total of a column in Excel. Calculating the total of a column in Excel is one of the most common tasks, and there are few ways to do it depending on whether you want a quick balance, a permanent formula or an automated table total. So here are the best ways to do it. So if you want a permanent total at the bottom of your column, Excel can write the formula for you automatically. For this, you need to click on the empty cells directly below the last number in your column and then go to the Home tab and click on the Editing, and here is the AutoSum. You just need to click on that. Excel will automatically highlight the column of numbers and write the formula. Press enter on your keyboard to see the total. So if you want to place the total in a specific cell, necessarily right beneath the data, you can type the formula yourself. For this, you need to click onto the cell where you want the total to be appeared. For this, you need to type equal sign and type sum, and now click and drag your mouse over the range of numbers you want to add together. Now type a closing parenthesis and press enter. Moreover, if you turn your data into an official Excel table, you can toggle a permanent total row that automatically updates even when you add or filter data. For this, you need to click anywhere inside your data grid and then press Ctrl plus T and click OK to make into a table. And now look at the top menu and check the box for the total row under the table design. A total row will appear at the bottom. You can click the drop down arrow in that total cell to switch between sum and average and count, and click on the sum, and here you can see that. Moreover, if you don't need to save the total and just want to know the sum right now, for simply you need to highlight the cells in the column like this one, and look at the very bottom right corner of your Excel window, and look at the very bottom right corner of your Excel window. It will instantly display the sum. Here is the sum 16,107. Here is the average and the count of cells, of selected cells, without typing a single thing. There is another method you need to, and press the R plus equal key all together. Excel will select the data range. You just need to hit enter, and here you can see that. So with this way you can easily calculate total of a column in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.